Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with a cloud-saved workbook, so make sure it's on OneDrive or SharePoint and you're signed into the right Microsoft account. Once done, open the file in Excel Desktop or Excel for the web. In Desktop, choose File Info. In the web app, look for the title bar controls. This step lets Excel surface stored versions. Without cloud storage, you won't see historical snapshots. Now that the workbook is open, move to viewing versions directly. You'll now open version history to inspect previous saves. In Desktop Excel, go to File, then Info and click Version History. Alternatively, right-click the file name in the title bar. In Excel for the web, click the file name at the top and pick Version History. Once the pane appears, click any listed version to preview differences and timestamps. Make sure to check who saved each version and when, because that context helps decide whether to restore, download, or copy. Finish by restoring or extracting the content you need. You can click Restore to revert to a previous version or Download to save a separate copy before changing anything. Once restored, compare formulas, sheets, or values by copying between versions to merge selectively. If you don't see version history, make sure the file is synced to OneDrive/SharePoint, that you have access permissions, and that auto-save is enabled. These are common blockers. If problems persist, resave the file to cloud and retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.